Primarily a bit of a state of shock, and I think, me personally, a little bit of denial. It's just kind of surreal, and I just feel for Katie. Katie's Platt's a colleague of mine and a parent, and to lose your child in a tragic accident is words just really can't describe how you feel about situations like this. But best we can do is support the Platt family and pray for them to find some comfort and strength in this difficult time, and try to manage the young ladies and men in our program who were teammates and close friends with Robert. But I think the UH athletics community is devastated, and Robert touched a lot of people here on campus on the academic side of things. Some of a fraternity here on campus as well. So this just touches a lot of aspects of the University Eastern community.